Hey guys, welcome back to Kemari Reaction for another reaction video with me today. Hi, what are you guys doing? So I'll be doing another reaction today to the group Now United, and this is Meet the Member Amy or Annie from Brazil. Miss Least Trust in this group to me. One of my co-workers from Brazil, I can't wait to go visit Brazil too. That's his corona.
You're always happy, you're always jumping, you're always sunshines and rainbows. But this is who I am, you know. Why to be sad?
Come through, curls.
My childhood was the best. I had a lot of time to play. I used to play on the street. It was so much fun.
Oh, she looked like mommy. She looked like her mom.
I had a great childhood, but then things changed.
Ooh, what happened?
My mom fell in love with this guy, and it turned out that he wasn't that great. He was doing some illegal stuff, and my dad found out about it. He told everything that was going on to the authorities, and even though my mom was doing nothing wrong, the authorities took me away from her.
Oh, wow.
I had to live with my grandmother for a while.
Oh, so sorry.
I was so young, and I don't know, it was just hard to breathe sometimes. I wanted to call my mom and I wanted to hug my mom and I couldn't, but I had to learn how to be mature and like figure out
so
things without my
sad.
mom. But anyway, when I was living with my grandmother, my aunt Laura, she taught me how to sing.
Oh, these kids really have some back in the day videos of them when they were growing up.
To carry on and not cry every night. I never stopped loving my mom actually, but I got closer to her again. And then I found out that my mom was really good. And when I moved back with my mom, how she was without money, we have to live in a tiny room. And we lived in a room without a bathroom, with no money, not even for food sometimes. I wanted a food, I wanted a snack, and she couldn't buy it. And she was pregnant, and she needed to eat because she was pregnant.
Come through, production.
First audition, and I got a yes between 5,000 kids. I got money and I helped my family go up again. And now I bought this house and we have 3 bathrooms. And I'm so proud to say that. We got over it. By singing, by dancing, by doing what I love. That's why I think that when I sing or when I dance, it's really emotional to me. Every time that I hear a song, it's easy for me to cry because I know that behind that, there's a true story like I have. And I don't think that I should be like example for people. I don't want them to be sorry for me. You know, I just want them to know that they can go through any problem and we can go through anything.
Wow. Sad story background. America do love a come-up story. Okay.
Next member is
Annie.
When I found out that I would be part of Now United, I cried. I made Now United! And then my heart was racing. What excites me is that I'll get to know
Come through. Yes, yes. When I say
I would like to see the end of the prejudice and the racial.
Come through, sister.
I still can't understand it. I try to see the mind of these people, but I can't because it's just the outside.
Assuming she's not close too much to her dad. I don't see her dad too much.
We all have feelings.
She talked about him, but
we should share this. And
he's not shown.
The world would be like an amazing place.
You and me, you the thing that love. That's my song. No, baby. Oh my god, that was Annie from Brazil in the group Now United. The leastress of the group, because Homegirl, she be getting them time spots in those songs, and she's vocally good. She's good dancer, singer, performer. Look, the girl is good from Brazil. It's so unfortunate growing up through her lifestyle, but you know, guess what? She was able to overcome it with her and her family, which is very great, very good, very good. Once again, I want to say thanks to the person who recommended me to react to these videos. I really do appreciate it. Thank you so much. For everybody else, whatever you want to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section, and I'll get to it as soon as possible. As always, who can do you besides you? I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.